I think recently I just joined the team of Avinasi Labs, and I really enjoy their mission, also of the biomarkers of aging consortium, which is practically to create this, you know, kind of going against the motive of operation on then open AI, and to be able to create more of a trusted um, public database that allows users also to access, or projects or institutions to access data, but data that is being verified and that is being given with consent, informed consent. So I think that's the difference. I think there was a study about privacy, and people don't necessarily value privacy, also perhaps because they often don't understand the possible potential repercussions with their identity being stolen. But in general, people are willing to give their data away if they know what is being, what is done with it, right? So I think one of the most important ethos of decentralization is to how do we inform users about how their data is being utilized, and then of course often offer incentives, which is great, and it makes anyone part of that community be able to actively participate and choose how they want the data be utilized. Is it for research, or for simply for incentives, or all sorts of different things? So I think that's, for me, that's the division: giving consent, not giving consent, informing the user, not informing the user.
Aha. Yeah, makes sense. And Nadia, do you have any thoughts on that privacy of technology use and all of that in building new developments?
Um, yeah, it's a great question, but I actually don't have any opinion on this
Mm-hmm.
topic. Like, I work in crypto, and I know about privacy, and I believe that decentralization is something that, yeah, I mean, and that we need. But from the other hand, technology can be abused. I mean, when there privacy as when there is all what we have is privacy, yeah, and technology can be abused. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
It's a difficult one. I don't think we all have questions, and I'm also coming from that perspective that the less technologies, more the more, and also that regenerative technology, that notion of using existing tools and not really building new all the time. Just because I've been working in technology a lot in terms of product management, project management, and it ended up from building new projects and new tech tools and new developments. It kind of like started to kind of like go into that place where it started to we had to stop building new because we needed to fix a lot of issues that were coming up with a more complexity layers added. So the fixing was more of my job rather than building the new, and I thought that's kind of the case with a lot of complex projects technologies out there. Okay, let's get into the topic that is even more edgy. We are 3